Just days before high-stakes US-led peace talks in Saudi Arabia, Russia has launched a brutal drone assault on Ukraine. Dozens of Shahed drones struck key cities overnight, killing civilians and crippling critical infrastructure. But in a shocking turn of events, Ukraine has responded with a bold strike on a Russian airbase. With both sides escalating, is war about to take a dangerous new turn? Russia's deadly drone attack. A warning to the West? According to Ukrainian officials, Russia's latest wave of drone attacks was one of the deadliest in weeks. The primary targets, energy grids, military installations, and residential areas. Kiev reports several casualties and major blackouts across multiple regions. Ukraine claims its air defenses intercepted many drones, but the sheer volume overwhelmed some cities. The timing of this assault is critical, just before crucial US-led ceasefire talks in Saudi Arabia. Was this a direct message to Washington, a sign that Moscow isn't interested in negotiating just yet? Ukraine strikes back. Russian airbase hit. But Ukraine didn't stay silent. Within hours, reports emerged of a Ukrainian long-range drone strike on a Russian airbase deep inside enemy territory. Sources suggest the target was an airfield housing fighter jets and strategic bombers. Moscow has downplayed the damage, but independent reports indicate multiple aircraft may have been hit. This marks yet another high-risk attack by Ukraine, demonstrating its ability to strike beyond the front lines. Is full-scale war inevitable? With both sides ramping up attacks, the biggest question now is, will this spiral into something even worse? The US and NATO have already condemned Russia's latest aggression, while Ukraine is demanding more weapons to continue counterstrikes. The upcoming talks in Saudi Arabia were meant to explore a path to ceasefire. But with the battlefield heating up, could these negotiations collapse before they even begin? What's next?